So I bought these Metrolocks a little while ago, and I didn't pick them up right away because I was, well, you can't get them anymore, and I was afraid that I would damage the pins, and so I waited until I had some experience with other Medecos, whatever I could get parts for, before I jumped into these. And so let's take it apart and see what it's made of. Okay, make sure it's focused down there. So one of the things that's tricky about these is this is actually a cut up soda bottle. Before it was modified, before I put that in there, it had a copper strip holding the pins in, and so those are very difficult to get off, and I'm told even harder to get back on. And so I went ahead and replaced it with this. Time will tell if I'm ever able to get it back on. We'll see. Okay, let's do a close-up of the core. These locks don't actually have drivers or top pins. The sidebar has little round fingers that rest into those small holes. And of course you can see those serrations, and I guess they are serrations, but frankly they feel more like a false gate in a typical Medeco configuration. So I'm going to go ahead and take the camera back up now and see if I can show the sidebar. You can't get the sidebar out of these locks, at least in any way that I know of. So you can look down into them, however, if you do it just right, and see the operation of the little round fingers. And so I'm going to try and do that if I can. So first I'm going to try and focus this. Oh gosh, it's very hard to tell with my camera. I'm going to do the best I can. So hopefully that shows those sidebar fingers working. Let me flip it around and try from the other angle. I think it does. Anyway, I think that's about it. Medeco Metrolock 52-5, picked and gutted. Thanks for watching.